come. Indeed, we all do, binding lot of curiosities, floating vistas of expectations within. What's next this year? What's different this year? What would be special that we are going to come? Where to start it from? As usual, with the recitation of Holy Quran. So I may request all of us to stand for reciting Holy Quran as a regular BIS ritual.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض، الملك القدوس العزيز الحكيم. هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين. وآخرين منهم لما يلحقوا بهم وهو العزيز الحكيم. ذلك فضل الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم. مثل الذين حملوا التوراة ثم لم يحملوها كمثل الحمار يحمل أسفارا. بئس مثل القوم الذين كذبوا بآيات الله والله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين. صدق الله العظيم.
I would like to request all of you for August gathering to have a stand for Bahrain national anthem.
بحريننا ملكنا رمز الوئام دستورها للمكانة والمكان. ميثاقها نهج الشريعة والعروبة والقيم. عاشت مملكة البحرين بلد الكرام مهد السلام دستورها للمكانة والمكان. ميثاقها نهج الشريعة والعروبة والقيم. عاشت مملكة البحرين.
Sir, to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Anand Prakash, to with a bouquet of flowers. I request Principal Ma'am to present a memento to our chief guest, Mr. Anand Prakash. Sir, I am delighted to declare the presence of Mr. Rajendranath Verma. I request ma'am please to welcome him with a bouquet of flowers. So our honor to have Mrs. Vinod Verma ma'am. Here we welcome you ma'am with a warm and fervent gesture and with a bouquet of flowers. Ms. Shruti, please welcome ma'am with a bouquet of flowers. Thank you for being here tonight. It's a great pleasure to have a great show of BIS Annual Day 2016-17, acknowledging our chief guests, special ones, BIS directors, our support and path shower, Verma sir and ma'am, our parent, guide, and principal of BIS, Dr. Hina Raj ma'am. A gracious, hearty welcome to you all. Children, my peers, our support staff, and for making their special and essential obvious appearance. Now let's go ahead and move forward to lighting ceremony. Let's ignite our evening with the light of remembrance and celebration. Astoma Sadgamaya, Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya, Mratyorma Amritam Gamaya. I believe you all are waiting for our elders and seniors for the lighting ceremony. I may request Principal Ma'am to escort our dignitaries for lighting the lamp of knowledge, invoking the blessing of Almighty. Shaky, smart, and jolly thoughts to sparkle, jingle, and lighten our moods. Well, if you know, they are equally eager to welcome everyone here with their lasting steps and bearing a fresh joy of confidence, throwing innocent, bubbly expression.
Tonight, I'll call you what you like. We'll make it such a night to remember all our lives. You let me call you baby, I'll really blow your mind. Oh boy, make your mind up, we're running out of time. Welcome, everybody come. Welcome, welcome to the party, come. Welcome, welcome. Everybody come. Welcome, welcome to the party, come. Welcome. Welcome, jump, everybody. Welcome, jump,
وما تسمع اللي يخدعك انت معلم وما تسمع اللي يخدعك انت معلم هاي انت معلم واحنا بدك نتعلم معلم انت معلم واحنا بدك نتعلم نسكت وانت موجود ما نرضى نتكلم نسكت وانت موجود ما نرضى نتكلم معلم
I think our start may sound little imperfect if we don't revise our ceremonial roots of custom with the very form of classical dance that traditionally we have been rehearsing for ages in Hindu religion as a sacred art. Here we have our children reminding us our souls, classics of dancing divas straight away coming from the ancient to the new theater of performing arts. There we go and unfold our excitement.
Shiva Shambho Swayambho Ho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Ho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shankara Karunakara Mamava Bhavasagara Taraka Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shambho Swayambho स्वयंभो दिमित दिमित दिमि दिमि गिट गिट तोम 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 तरि गिट गिट तोम दिमित दिमित दिमि दिमि गिट तोम 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 तरि गिट तोम मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईशा मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईशा सर्वदिगंबर वेशित वेश नित्य निरंजन नृत्य नटेशा मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईशा नित्य निरंजन नृत्य नटेशा सर्वेशा शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो शंकर करुणाकर मम भव सागर तारक शंकर करुणाकर शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो
Didn't this invocation, dancing number, and brilliant performance cruise you through the ancient era of culture and performing arts, accomplished in Hindu temples for worshipping before any ritual event? It did to me for a minute. I'm sure we all are having the same catchy wavelengths for now. I may like to invite Principal Ma'am for sharing the review and performances of the year. Let's have a glance at the year's activities and calendar and take the stock of events which has gone by.
Namaskar, wish you a warm evening. Thank you for such an overwhelming response, parents. Thank you, Mr. Anand Prakash, for being the chief guest, accepting to be here. Blessings of the elders, Mr. Rajendranath Verma sir, Mrs. Vinod Verma ma'am. Thank you for being here and blessing. Without the blessings of the elders, seniors, we can't grow. Our directors are always there, Mr. Himanshu Verma and Ma'am Ritu Verma, always there guiding and enlightening us. Season's greetings and warm wishes for a blessed and cheerful 2017. I feel elated to present to you the annual report of the school. I am proud to announce that previous 2 years have been very exciting and rewarding for the school in terms of academic results and the performances in other extracurricular activities. It gives me immense pleasure to inform you that our school staff and the management are fine-tuned to the guidelines of the CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. In line with these guidelines, we lay considerable stress on CCE, that is Continuous Comprehensive Evaluation, and extracurricular activities too. Dear audience, dear parents, before embarking upon the performances of the school during the year under review, I may like to refresh your memories about the origin of BIS. Under the aegis of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, which is the 7th venture in Gulf countries, and we started the school in the year 2014 with handful of students, and today we have expanded our boundaries to accommodate 500 plus students. BIS family comprises of excellent and visionary management, well-trained, well-experienced and dedicated teaching staff, and well-groomed supporting staff. We duly appreciate the tremendous cooperation on the part of everyone associated with this institution, especially the parents who have strived their best to mold our students with hard work, to make their dreams and aspirations come true. So you can clap for yourselves, parents. As far as the school infrastructure goes, theoretical and practical learning go hand in hand. Bahrain Indian School truly believes in giving a practical environment for the students to flourish and to match with the changing trends of 21st century. To accommodate the needs of the children, BIS has established math lab, computer lab, library, which was inaugurated again by His Excellency, and on the Ambedkar Jayanti Day, the computer lab, library, language lab, one of its kind, parents, where children learn to fine-tune their auditory skills, listening skills, and especially the pronunciation part. Science lab and social science lab, which is one of its kind in the Kingdom of Bahrain. As BIS is growing steadily with rapid increase in strength, it has necessitated the construction of a spacious auditorium for the multifarious school activities and classrooms to house the kindergarten, primary, and the middle school. The construction work is in progress. We would have very much loved to have you this year there, but of course next year for sure. We thank our management for undertaking the responsibility for construction of this new edifice. Well-equipped school helps in achieving the aim of holistic development of a child. I feel proud in sharing that our school has spacious classrooms, fully equipped labs, library, infirmary with trained nurse, counseling cell with a well-trained counselor, and multi-purpose playground. All the classrooms are digital, which provides audio-visual learning. The creativity and spontaneity in children is awakened through co-curricular activities like yoga, art and craft, dance, music, et al. We maintain a teacher ratio, student ratio of 1:20, which goes a long way to ensure individual attention to the children. Our teachers are trained in the use of technology as an aid in learning. All classrooms are upgraded with LCD projectors, which make the learning both enjoyable and effective. The school places great value in community learning and has adopted a child-centered approach. You are witness to the testimony of the fact. We provide a nurturing ground for the students' all-around development to feel confident and competent to face the challenges of an ever-changing society. Real education fetches you more than a job. It teaches you to live. It cannot be measured in any tangible way. You would agree with me. True education is training of the head as well as the heart. Teaching value and life skills from the beginning goes a long way in shaping the young minds to respond positively to the challenges of an ever-changing world and tackle life effectively. Life skills are inculcated through relevant activities that enable the children to develop their self-esteem, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and personality development. You all would agree with me that the foundation years in the child's development are the pre-primary years. Hence, much emphasis is laid where learning takes place with fun, be it teaching of body parts, plants, zoo, vegetables. Show and tell is a part and parcel of our teaching learning process. We have developed a concept room where the concepts are reinforced and enhanced. To enhance their social skills, children celebrate Diwali, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Children's Day. So the spirit of secularism is established at this very young age. Also, picnic, field trips, splash pool, sand play, and many more are part of the routine to ensure enjoyable learning. For primary and middle section, we have club activities like co-curricular and subject clubs. We have all the subject clubs like computers and mathematics, social science, all the core subjects, as well as the co-curricular clubs. We also had class assemblies where children put up theme-based presentation. Assemblies are the best place and platform where their confidence is built and value inculcation takes place. The inter-house competitions start after the house investiture ceremony. This ceremony is seen to be believed where the young leaders take charge of their houses in various capacities under the guidance of the house masters and house tutors. The four houses, the Spartans, the gladiators, the Vikings, and the warriors fight amongst themselves in a healthy spirit and establish a team spirit, and a lot of learning takes place. A glance at various inter-house competitions, which are best out of waste, collage making based on Earth Day, essay writing and poem as part of Hindi Week celebration, storytelling, good handwriting, and many more. We also had fancy dress, banner making based on Labor Day, science quiz, math quiz, dance and singing competition. You can see the kind of variety of activities where all the skills are taken care of. Nukkad Natak to raise awareness on social issues, pamphlet making and poster making, sending the message to save Mother Earth and uphold the dignity of labor. Our children did take up external exams too, like IBT, that is International Benchmark Test, SOF, Science Olympiad Foundation, and PEARLS to understand their positioning not only at school level but globally. One of our biggest achievements, parents, this year has been bagging the first position at Students Innovation Congress, where our project was declared the best and selected to represent Bahrain in India. While the Indian Embassy celebrated this, I remember when Mr. Anand Prakash called me up and said that Bahrain Indian School has done so well and your children have shined so beautifully and they are going to represent Bahrain in India. That was a proud moment. Apart from that, we had again celebration of Ambedkar Jayanti where once again we were declared the best presenters. In mini Olympics, Amrita of grade 6 made us proud by bagging 2 gold medals, and Davina, she's a badminton champion and the father is also a national level player, so we are proud of the father and the child duo. Davina won the silver at Taekwondo, and again, there's one more beautiful achievement. Ritisha Bist of grade 6 participated. Parents listen to that in Asianet Think and Learn Challenge. And she's selected to represent Gulf countries in the quiz at Abu Dhabi, which will be telecast live on the television channel. We'll be updating you soon, the dates. This coming up soon. We are very proud of you, Ritisha, and all other children. Once again, while Constitution Day was celebrated under the auspices of Indian Embassy, Yuva of grade 6 bagged second best speakers award. SIF, yes, I love cheers and claps when our children do so well, and we are so very proud along together. Science India Forum had conducted Shastra Pratibha contest where once again our children Shri Hamshini, Amrita and Ritisha shined so beautifully. One more achievement very close to our heart at Bhavan's GCC Spell Bee contest. We swept the first position in juniors with Manani Desai awarded a certificate, a memento and a cash prize of 50,000 rupees. I'm sure you must have witnessed that live telecast where all across GCC countries when it was telecast live and our children doing so wonderfully well. 3 participants after a lot of knockout rounds. And when they were fighting the finale, one stands first, winning position, and the other 2 participants in other 2 categories at the first runner-up position, Steve and Sunish. Again with a certificate, memento, and a cash prize of rupees 10,000 each. In Spectra drawing competition too, we had Suvit, Preeta and Anushka doing wonders, whereas Diya bagged the first position in clay modeling. For SOF, the Olympiad, math, we bagged Medal of Excellence. We had 6 golds, 4 silvers and 4 bronze. That's a feat achieved by our students. at a global platform. Also in Science Olympiad, we bagged again 6 golds, 4 silvers and 4 bronze. We made a mark at Cyber Olympiad too by winning gold, silver and bronze. Our achievement at IBT International Benchmark Test is worth mentioning. 7 of our students got high distinction, which is commendable. Yes, this 20 minutes of cheers, clapping are so soothing, so beautiful that whatever the year's effort we have put, it gives a soothing balm to all the tiredness, exhaustion, and we feel so elated. And once again, we feel that we want to do better than the best. A lot of celebrations happened, you have been witnessing, but one of the beautiful day is the sports day event, which was witnessed by many of the parents, and the success of it does not leave anything else for me to say. We did celebrate the Bahrain National Day too with great fervor. We believe that teachers have to be constant learners. We had parents orientation for the parents as well as a part of CPD, that is the continuous professional development. Because unless and until you are not a learner, you can never be a teacher. We had workshops for the staff on attitude engineering, because attitude takes you, it's all about attitude which takes you to the altitude. Teaching style and classroom management was again taken up. CCE, that is the continuous comprehensive evaluation, which is a very important part of CBSE. Hearing and learning disorders by the renowned doctors was conducted for the staff. Motivation and confidence building in students was conducted by our counselor and coordinator, Dr. Bhatnagar, and many more of our educators, because we believe that it is an in-house learning. We believe in Kaizen culture. Every day we have to keep improving and breaking our own records, and that is the team, beautiful team we have built. The talented and dedicated staff forms the backbone of BIS, and I'm proud to be a Bhavanite for 17 years and still counting. Thank you, dear parents. Thank you, management, for their excellent support and vision and guiding us all the time. Just a word which I would like to mention, that Mr. Lokanath Behera, who was supposed to be here as a chief guest, couldn't make it. Because there was some unrest in the state, and he had to be there. You can understand it so well. But thank you, Mr. Anand Prakash, for filling up the gap and being there so graciously. Your gracious presence is always welcome. And dear parents, your presence is unparalleled, no match to that. So for we at BIS, sky is not the limit. We believe in breaking our own records. परिंदों को नहीं दी जाती तालीम उड़ानों की, परिंदों को नहीं दी जाती तालीम उड़ानों की, वो खुद तय करते हैं मंजिल आसमानों की। रखता है जो हौसला आसमां को छूने का, रखता है जो हौसला आसमां को छूने का, उसको नहीं परवाह होती गिर जाने की। With your support, we are sure we'll keep growing, not only in height and weight, in wisdom and wealth, and everywhere where the strength, the spirit will continue as you, as our joint venture, the partners in our students' growth and our school's growth. That is what BIS is, where the parents community is so strong, all the time supporting with excellent management and dedicated and committed staff members for putting up a beautiful show which you will witness now. Thundering clap for all the BIS staff members who have, and children who are our heroes, who are stars, who are the bouquets and our flowers in our bouquet. Thank you all for listening to me. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing the feedback and outcomes of the year with us, and also updating us with the technologies and aids that we are emphasizing on and employing in our campus for our children. It seems a pretty busy, eventful session of 2016-17, and we have been very much busy equipping ourselves to offer the versatile environment to our children. Now, most likely, it's a time for me to pass on my charge to Shivani ma'am and our adoring, ready to blast, future of the world and present of BIS, our treasure, our very young, talented BIS pride, our children. So there we go. Now Shivani ma'am will take over. Thank you so much. Enjoy your evening ahead.
Well, the school magazine is an integral part of school life. The school magazine is a symbol of pride and a miniature representation of the school. Any individual going through the magazine would clearly gauge the principles, values, and ideology of that institution. The magazine promotes creativity and nurtures the latent skills of young minds. Any article